Hey guys, I'm Phae and this is Day with Phae. Today we are putting on face masks and reviewing them.
Hello, my name is Tyler. I like Fortnite.
This is Barbara. What's your name?
Annie.
Do you like to eat sushi?
Watermelon.
How old are each of you?
25.
5. 7.5.
7.5.
And am I your mom?
No.
Who am I?
Cousin?
No. Yeah, I'm your aunt. They were at my wedding actually. You were the flower girl and you were the rings man. Ring bearer. Did you guys like our dance?
Uh-huh.
Even though there was kissing in it?
My favorite was the music.
Alright, so I have the rubber hydro mask. It's blue and yellow. And then we have this flavor, which is a rubber soothing mask. So the first thing to do is we're gonna pour this number 1 and number 2. We're gonna put both of them in here. Yeah, you can do.
Hey, let me put number 1 in first.
Yeah, you guys will work together.
This is number 2. I'm gonna put this in first. Okay, if I can open.
If you guys need help opening it, I will help.
Yeah, we need help. Like my nails are not big enough.
Okay.
Oh God, there's something in this.
Yeah, it's what you put on your face to feel soft. Okay,
Okay, so put it in that cup.
just squeeze it out. Yeah. Remember I told you it's like slime.
Oh God.
Have you ever made slime before?
Yeah.
That was kind of hard to do.
Haley,
Smells like slime.
Slime?
With like Play-Doh in it.
Yeah. It
Haley,
does.
you also think it smells like slime?
And please leave a like on the video.
Please.
Oh, it
That's
looks
so
like it's
weird.
pink. This is what's inside of the cup. It's like a greeny slimy.
There you go. Yeah, green
Looks
slime.
like a greeny slime.
Looks like Kool-Aid.
The next step is we have to put the cap on.
That's cool.
We make sure it's actually closed. Yeah. Put your finger in here. Don't let go of that because it'll squirt everywhere. And then you just shake it. Yeah.
There you go.
It sounds like me.
Oh.
Sounds like water,
Okay.
like you're
Do you want to try too?
like a maraca. Smells yummy.
Don't eat it, okay?
Yeah, don't eat it.
Okay. Okay. That sounds good. Let me do mine real quickly. Yeah, mine's blue.
No, it looks like ice cold water, like
Yeah.
water with ice in it.
Ooh, like a blue slushy.
Yeah, like a blue slushy.
But nobody drink that.
No, don't drink that. Mm-mm.
Like, ugh.
I wish, actually, like, this is super messy on the top, right? Even though you try really hard to close the hole.
But I
it's
just
still-
got like 6 paper towels.
Oh, yeah, that's good.
I don't know if we're trying to make slime or
Oh,
it's
no.
fake.
Yeah, it's a face mask, so it's like for skincare.
Yeah, I've done that. I've made people like put spiders on my face.
Oh. No, this will be like that. Just plain.
Oh, it looks
But your
like
skin will feel so
looks like
good.
somebody in the morning putting like avocados on your
Yeah.
cheek in the bathtub with like your thing. Your face is blue. You're just going.
The third step, you apply to your face with the spatula. By the way, this is my husband. He's gonna put this on my face.
Oh, here we move so the camera can see. Oh, it looks like there's throw up on your face or something.
Blue throw up.
No, it's white.
It's white. It feels slimy and wet.
That's exactly what I was saying.
This is also Uncle Michael's first time putting face masks.
Yeah, I don't know how to do this.
I think I'll put it on you guys after. Haley, what do you think about this so far?
It's like slime on your face. From the camera, it looks like there's a cloud on it. I'm just with. Yeah, I'm a little
It
boy.
doesn't look as thick as I thought it would. I expected it to look more
I'm a
consistent.
little what?
Yay! So this is how I look finished.
Is it done?
It's okay, you can relax your face. How does it feel? Okay.
I don't know how it feels. Put a little bit on. Feels a little weird.
Yeah?
Isn't this cold?
Yeah, it's cold.
It's cold.
Haley, does Phaedra look funny?
Yes. Her cheeks look. Haley's cheeks looks better than Phaedra's.
Yeah, I feel like maybe mine wasn't mixed well. Or I don't know what
Because
happened.
yours is dripping.
Yeah, and hers isn't.
Does it feel cool, Haley?
It feels like nothing.
Feels like nothing.
Really? Ooh, yours looks nice. You look beautiful.
Go, Haley.
Go look in the mirror, Haley.
What do you think about how you look?
It's weird.
How's it feel?
Cold. Yeah. It feels like a popsicle touching my face. It feels like it's drying.
You have 10 minutes. It's never too early to start taking care of your skin. Uncle Michael takes care of his skin. I take care of my skin.
You should see my mom's feet.
So what do you guys do to take care of your skin?
We don't do anything. I just put cold water on my.
He looks done, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna go look.
Yeah, Haley, you don't have to
This
rub
is
those
what
on.
my
You just
face
put 'em
looks like.
on.
I look like Santa Claus.
What's your favorite part of it? Phaedra, what's your favorite part?
I think making it was my favorite part.
Making it.
Yeah.
Haley, what's your favorite part?
Rubbing it on my face.
Rubbing it on?
And the
Tai Tai, what's your favorite part?
Put it on my face.
On your face?
Because it felt so good, the coldness on my face.
So do you guys think it feels sort of good or very good?
Really good.
Really good.
I would go like in the middle of those.
In the middle.
I definitely thought it would be more like thicker, kind of like slime consistency.
Yeah.
It's sort of dripping inside.
Who do you think has the scariest face?
I feel like it's Haley. I feel like it's Haley, but I feel like I look like Santa Claus.
As someone who does do skincare a lot, I was disappointed in it. I wanted it to be a thicker consistency, and it was a lot more trouble. So I probably don't recommend it. What are you guys doing?
Nothing.
You guys are doing something.
Nothing.
Okay, I think we should just all wash our face at that time, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we could just take off our mask now and see how it looks.
This is what my face looks like, and it feels so good. It was so hard to get off.
This is how my skin looks, and again, super smooth. We're gonna do an easier mask next time with the sheet mask. Overall, this one was really hard to put on and to take off, so I don't like it that much. Okay, how does your face feel?
Like flabby.
Do you like it?
Does it feel soft? No. Does it feel creamy?
Thanks so much for watching our video. I hope you guys liked it. I can see because of the viewfinder. Make sure to give us a thumbs up.
Comment down below
what your favorite part of the
What
video
your favorite
was.
part of the video was.
Okay, bye guys.
Bye bye.
Say bye, Haley.
You say bye too, Michael.
Bye.
I'm going away now.